So morning, this is DailyChilli, episode number 40. So it's a good milestone. But today I'm a bit sad because I heard the news yesterday about the death of Stephen Hawking, which is a very good and inspirational physicist. He wrote a lot of books about theories. One is called Universe in a Nutshell. Another one is A Brief Story of Time. I haven't read those books, to be honest, but it's one of the books that I have in my list. Most of the scientists, they're not very religious people, but they talk always about God and about the existence of God, which is in doubt for most of the scientists, of course. And also he said something that is very true, that people won't have time for you if you're always angry and complaining about everything. Very true. So yeah, this is my post for today, and today's password for my daily journal is angry. Okay, see you guys. Bye.